Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a simple tutorial on how I fix individual eyelash extensions on myself. So if you're interested, kindly keep on watching. I'm using a hair bond glue. That's what I love to use because it holds it very well, and the individual extensions, of course. So I poured a little bit of the glue on the mixing palette so it's easier to access. Then I pick up the individual eyelashes with the tweezer, and then I dip it in the glue and apply it underneath my eyelashes. That's all. And I kept on pushing the lashes with the tweezer because I just wanted to make them in line. I just wanted to make sure they are all in line. And that's how I do it on myself. I wanted it very simple and not so heavy, so I didn't fill it up too much. I kept it very simple and I love how it turned out. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.